Okay, great. So, hey everyone. My team's the Psychic Legends. This is a data science project on analyzing music data, and this is the first. This is the first time like computer science, data science experience for almost everyone in my team. So, I'm proud of how much we've gotten accomplished this 3 weeks, and I'll let them take it away.
Hello, my name is Takuma, a member of Psychic Legends. This is the introduction section. Our team's goal is to provide insights on music and predict popularity of a song using machine learning. By providing visualizations and a direct model that people can use for predicting song popularity, our product will help small artists understand what factors make songs popular. This can also improve the recommendation systems for music sharing companies and other platforms. Our dataset includes 50,000 rows and 18 columns, including 10 different music genres and other elements such as loudness, speechiness, danceability, instrumentalness, and more, provided from Spotify. We clean the data by removing some features that do not help in predicting song popularity, like identifiers and the date a data sample was obtained. Data samples with missing values were also removed. Missing values in the tempo column were imputed with a value of 120.
Oh, Ethan, are you there?
Hello?
Oh yeah, there.
Oh, is my mic working? This is a correlation heat map that visualizes the relationship between two numerical variables in a dataset by using colors to represent correlation. This visualization can be used in feature selection to identify highly correlated and uncorrelated variables. This is popularity distribution. This is a histogram of the popularity scores in the dataset. As seen from the figure, the popularity scores range from 0 to 100, with most of the popularity scores lying between 30 to 60. For music genres, this is the bar chart. The diversity of genres in this dataset is balanced. This is popularity in music genre. It's a multi-box plot for it, and as we can see from the figure, popularity scores vary widely based on music genres. In music, key represents the notes in a scale a song is performed in. This is a multi-box plot of popularity and key. As we can see from the figure, popularity score is not influenced greatly by key. In music, mode represents the type of scale a song is performed in, like major or minor. It's a multi-box plot of popularity and mode. As we can see from the figure, popularity score is not influenced greatly by mode.
For machine learning, ridge regression is a type of model that is a type of linear regression that includes a L2 penalty. This has the effect of shrinking the coefficients for those input variables that do not contribute much to the prediction task. The R2 score we got was 0.653, and the mean absolute error was 6.76. For stochastic gradient descent, or SGD, it's an algorithm that can be used for machine learning. SGD works by computing gradients at random data points to greatly reduce the required memory for computations. The R2 score that we got for it was 0.653. The mean absolute error was 6.76. Light gradient boosting machine, or LGBM, is a gradient boosting framework based on decision trees to increase the efficiency of a model and reduces memory usage. LGBM splits the tree leaf-wise as opposed to other boosting algorithms that grow the tree level wise. The R2 score we got for it was 0.669, and the mean absolute error was 6.61.
For a conclusion, this is what we found. From exploratory data analysis, it was found that the factors that make songs popular are not strongly correlated to one particular musical characteristic. However, the variable with the strongest influence on popularity was the music genre. The three models made predictions on popularity with similar R-squared values, mean absolute errors. The model with the best performance was the LGBM regressor. The LGBM regressor had the highest R-squared value and the lowest mean absolute error. While the R-squared values have room for improvement, the overall performance is decent considering the task of predicting song popularity. Our regression models can be used to give a rough estimate for how popular a song will be. You can try out the section below to see how popular your song might become.
And lastly, this is our prediction section. And in this section, we implemented the best performing model into our website to make predictions. The user can select different music characteristics, and the model will use the process inputs to predict the popularity score. If the user forgets to include an input, default values are used. So here's an example. You could just predict, and there will be a popularity score on the bottom.
That's it for our presentation. Here are the members of our team. It's been a great 3 weeks working with you all, and I'm very proud of how everyone what everyone has learned over these 3 weeks.